Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Sam in Ohio on a Stryker SR-447hpc2. Sam will get it ready to go for you. A very compact radio, like a Cobra 25. Nice heatsink on the back, but it is loaded with audio and plenty of power. Got your R power all the way down. Let's get right to it. 5-watt slug. It's a 1.5 watt carrier. I'm over a 100-watt scale. I'm going to roll the carrier all the way up. 14 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low 40 bird average. Peak power. Low and 72 peak. And also, when you key it, the channel display turns into your SWR meter. Of course, we got a flat 1.0 because, as always, we are on the dummy load. Alright, Sam, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.